Looking for a high-performance and comfortable mobility scooter for your trips? Let's introduce you to the Paiseec S3. It boasts a long-lasting battery that can travel up to 25 miles on a single charge, making your travel with a chill. The 250 watts motor provides excellent climbing power for uphill. The S3 is designed with customers in mind, no need to assemble, and can be folded in just 2 steps. It fits easily into the trunk or back seat of a car, making it your perfect travel companion. The S3 is also equipped with the Pi safety system, which automatically controls speed when going downhill or turning for your safety. More thoughtfully, the seat is fitted with a sensor that only allows the scooter to start when you are seated and ready to go. The details are everywhere. Reverse warnings, headlight, and horn are all made for your safe driving. Paiseec, you deserve to have it.